Hey guys, today we're gonna unbox a blind box. This is a simple blind box. So let's get it right now. So I forgot. I pick, but I'm thinking I'm gonna get this one. So let's just get started. Where is the cut here? There's a lot of things, but I don't know where is it. Oh, it's inside. I really want it. Oh, epic! Please be epic. We got legendary. That's okay. So what is in here? I'm gonna open this first. This mystery. So let me just cut it open, guys. Or what? I don't know what. I hope it's I don't know. I hope I just rip it open. We got cinamoroll squishy. I love these squishies. Next we got this. I don't know what this. It says cinamoroll supply. So now open it. Open it. We just open. Let's check. Open. We got a ruler. There's a ruler, guys. Look, it's ever folds. So cute. What else? They got this. I don't know what is this. We're just gonna rip it or what? I think, cut. We had a cut. We're just gonna cut it. I hope it doesn't. What is inside? It's stickers. Some more stickers. Wow, this is so cute. Let me just put here. Next we got is, I think there's no more. Got this mystery. Gonna open it, guys. So what is this? Let's just open it. Oh my god, there's something hard. It's a clip. It's matched with this. Bye guys, that's all for today.